If you've been hearing about Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs and feel like you're missing out, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down what cryptocurrency is, why it's generating so much buzz, and what you need to know to get started. This guide is designed for anyone who's just starting out and wants to understand what all the hype is about. What is cryptocurrency, really? Let's start with the basics. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that exists entirely online. Unlike traditional currencies like dollars or euros, which are issued and controlled by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they aren't controlled by any central authority, like a bank or government. Instead, they use blockchain technology to operate transparently and securely. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger or database. Every transaction made with a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is recorded on the blockchain. This ledger is accessible to everyone, making it transparent and secure. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009, and it's still the most popular today. But there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and use cases. Why is everyone talking about Bitcoin? You might be wondering, why is Bitcoin the one everyone talks about? Well, Bitcoin was the original cryptocurrency, and over time it has become the most widely recognized and valuable. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed over the years, with some ups and downs along the way. Each time it reaches a new all-time high, more people get interested, and news outlets pick up on the story, which generates even more interest. One reason for Bitcoin's popularity is its limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, which makes it a scarce asset. Many people see Bitcoin as digital gold because of this limited supply, and they buy it as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. The idea is that, like gold, Bitcoin's value could hold up or even increase when traditional assets lose value. How do other cryptocurrencies differ from Bitcoin? Bitcoin might be the most famous cryptocurrency, but it's far from the only one. Other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins have different features or focus on solving specific problems. For example, Ethereum, the second most popular cryptocurrency, allows developers to build decentralized applications on its platform. This has led to the rise of DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, on Ethereum. Some altcoins are faster than Bitcoin, others are designed for privacy, and some are stablecoins, which are pegged to a traditional currency like the US dollar. Each cryptocurrency has a unique purpose, which can make it confusing at first, but they all contribute to the broader world of digital assets. How do people buy and store cryptocurrency? Buying cryptocurrency is easier than ever. You can purchase it on a crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance, which are like digital marketplaces for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Once you buy crypto, you need a secure place to store it, and that's where wallets come in. There are different types of wallets: hot wallets, which are online and easy to use, and cold wallets, which are offline and offer more security. Many people keep their crypto in exchange wallets, but for those holding large amounts, a cold wallet provides extra protection against hacks. Is crypto safe? What about risks? Crypto can be exciting, but it's also important to understand the risks. The price of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum can be extremely volatile, meaning their prices can go up or down dramatically in a short time. Some people see this as an opportunity, but it can also be stressful for new investors. There's also the risk of hacks or scams, as the crypto space is still relatively new and less regulated than traditional financial markets. Some exchanges and wallets have been hacked in the past, which is why security is crucial. It's important to research, use reputable platforms, and consider secure storage options. What drives cryptocurrency prices? One of the things that makes crypto so unique is that its value can be influenced by many factors. Bitcoin's price, for example, is influenced by supply and demand, media coverage, investor interest, and even social media. When big companies announce they're investing in Bitcoin, or a country adopts crypto-friendly policies, prices can surge. For altcoins, prices can be driven by technology updates, partnerships, and new applications. For example, when Ethereum rolled out major updates, its price surged. Understanding the factors that impact crypto prices can help you make more informed decisions. Why some people see crypto as digital gold? Many people are drawn to Bitcoin because they see it as a store of value, similar to gold. Unlike traditional money, which can be printed in unlimited amounts, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. This scarcity, combined with its decentralized nature, has led some to believe that Bitcoin could protect against inflation or currency devaluation. This idea of digital gold has gained momentum in recent years, especially as people seek ways to diversify their investments and protect their wealth. It's one reason why Bitcoin has become such a powerful symbol in the world of finance. Common mistakes to avoid when starting out. Starting out in crypto can be exciting, but it's easy to make mistakes. A common mistake is investing more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is known for its volatility, so it's crucial to start small and only invest what you're comfortable with. Another mistake is buying based on hype without understanding the project. Always do your research before investing, and don't just rely on social media or news headlines. Many new investors get caught up in FOMO, fear of missing out, and make impulsive decisions. Instead, take your time, understand what you're buying, and develop a strategy. Latest news and what's next for crypto. In recent news, we've seen major financial institutions like banks and investment firms get involved in crypto, which has brought even more attention to the space. Additionally, some governments are beginning to adopt cryptocurrency in different ways, from exploring digital currencies to creating crypto-friendly regulations. As Bitcoin continues to hit new all-time highs, interest in crypto is only growing. More companies are accepting Bitcoin as payment, and more people are learning about the potential of blockchain technology. While the future is unpredictable, it's clear that cryptocurrency is here to stay, and it's likely to play an even bigger role in our financial world. Final thoughts and getting started. If you're just getting into crypto, take it slow and learn as much as you can. The world of cryptocurrency can seem complicated, but it's also full of opportunity. Start by understanding the basics, research the projects you're interested in, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Whether you're here for the technology, the investment, or the excitement, crypto offers something for everyone.